Want to grow juicy berries in your own garden? Today, we dive into the world of homegrown berries. Imagine the freshness, the cost-effectiveness, and the health benefits of plucking ripe berries right from your backyard. Join us on this fruitful journey to growing your own berries. First things first, you need to choose the right berries. It's crucial to understand that different berries thrive in varying climates. Your local weather conditions and soil quality play a significant role in determining what berries will flourish in your garden. Pick a berry that suits your climate for the best results. Once you've chosen your berries, it's time to prepare your planting area. A sunny spot and nutrient-rich soil are key. Begin by clearing away weeds, then enrich the soil with compost. A well-prepared garden bed will set your berries up for success. Now you're ready to plant your berries and watch them grow. Start by digging a hole twice the width and depth of your plant's root ball. Space each plant about 3 to 6 feet apart depending on the variety. Planting in early spring or fall is ideal. Regular watering is crucial, but don't drown them. Keep an eye out for pests and prune dead branches to maintain plant health. With the right care, you'll have a garden full of juicy berries in no time. The best part of growing your own berries is the harvest. Timing is key, and each berry type has its own sweet spot. Raspberries and blackberries reach their peak when they easily separate from the stem. Strawberries radiate a deep red, and blueberries develop a uniform bluish-purple hue. To pick them, gently roll the berries between your thumb and forefinger, allowing them to fall into your hand. This prevents any damage to the plant. Harvesting your own homegrown berries is a rewarding experience. Growing your own berries is easier than you might think. Just choose the right berries, prepare the planting area, plant, care, and then harvest. So why not give it a try? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy berry growing!